We're explaining how to find the legal basis for your research. 1. First, understand what legal basis means in your context. It's not always about specific laws. Sometimes it's about ethical guidelines, institutional review board, IRB approvals, or even the implied consent of participants. 2. Identify the relevant area of law. This depends heavily on your research topic. Is it about human subjects? Then you'll be looking at things like HIPAA in the US or GDPR in Europe regarding data privacy. Is it about animal subjects? You'll need to know the animal welfare laws and regulations in your location. Is it about environmental research? You'll need to familiarize yourself with environmental protection laws. 3. Use specific keywords in your research. Don't just search for legal basis, instead, be specific. For example, if your research is on using social media data, you might search legal basis social media data research GDPR or legal basis social media scraping US law. 4. Consult legal databases and resources. Westlaw, LexisNexis, and other legal databases contain case law, statutes, and regulations. Many academic libraries provide free access to these. 5. Check government websites. Government agencies often have websites with detailed information on relevant regulations. For example, the U.S. National Institutes of Health, NIH, has extensive guidelines on research ethics. 6. Review relevant ethical guidelines. Many fields have professional organizations that publish ethical guidelines. These guidelines often address legal implications indirectly, helping you understand the ethical boundaries, which often have a legal corollary. 7. Look for precedents. See how other researchers in similar fields have addressed the legal aspects of their work. Read their publications and see if they cite relevant laws or guidelines. This can help you identify crucial legal frameworks. 8. Consult with legal professionals. If you're unsure about the legal implications of your research, consult with a lawyer specializing in relevant areas of law, such as intellectual property, data privacy, or research ethics. They can offer tailored advice. 9. Document everything. Maintain meticulous records of your research related to legal and ethical compliance. This documentation is crucial if any questions or concerns arise later. Remember, this process might involve some legal jargon. Don't hesitate to look up unfamiliar terms and concepts. Finding the legal basis for your research requires careful attention to detail and a proactive approach to understanding and adhering to all relevant laws and regulations.